Hi, everybody, and welcome to Mrs. B. And welcome to all my returning subscribers. Today, I'm going to be making meatloaf, okay? I know I've made meatloaf before on this channel, but I have learned a new way, and I wanted to share it with you guys. It saves up time from cutting up your peppers and everything. We're going to use salsa. Oh, yeah. So let's give this a whirl. So with clean hands, especially with everybody in today's world, we got to keep our hands clean. We're going to take some meat, 1 pound of meat. You're going to put it into the bowl. Okay, so we have that. After we put the 1 pound of meat in, what we're going to do is crack 1 egg. Just like we did with the other meatloaf. For those that are my subscribers, if you haven't subscribed, make sure you do that, okay? So I got the egg and I got the hamburger meat in there. Then we're going to take some of our Italian breadcrumbs. You can do plain, but I like Italian because it already has a seasoning. And you're just going to put some in there. And you're just going to put maybe a half a cup worth. I can do it visually, but just about a half a cup. And then you're going to take your salsa. And I have a big jar. I'm not going to use all of it. I'm just going to pour half of it in there. And I got chunky, okay? I got chunky, and I pour that in there. That's going to give the tomato sauce, the bell peppers, and everything. And then we're just going to dive in and mix, okay? We're going to mix it up. Now, if I had my Aunt Dixie salsa right now, this would give it a little kick of a meatloaf. She makes awesome salsa. She won't give up the recipe. But right now, I use store-bought, and oh, it smells good. Just mix it up. And see, what you're getting now is you're getting the pepper and the onion and everything right mixed in there. The seasoning. Oh, that smells so good. Okay, let me rinse real quick and get some more. Remember, when you touch the outside of containers, you need to wipe them down as well. The germs will stay on the outside of the jars. And then I'm going to mix some more. Oh, you guys know what salsa smells like. Now it's mixed with meat. Like that song, Call Me on My Cell Phone. Smell it through YouTube. Okay, here we go. So, I got my hamburger meat. I'm going to slide this over. I'm going to bring out my little bacon pan. And I'm going to make it round. And you just flatten it out. Like so. Just keep flattening it. Not too flat, though. Oh, my goodness. And then I'm going to let this cook. Okay? In the oven on 350 for an hour. When it gets done with the timer, what I'm going to do then is going to add a little salsa on top and then just bake it a little longer. That way it doesn't seep through, and then you have like a nice little topping of your meatloaf, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and put this in the oven. I'm going to set the timer, and then we'll check it out here momentarily. Okay, so I've taken the meatloaf out of the oven. Remember, you're only going to cook it for about an hour. And the last 10 minutes, you want to put a little salsa right on it. Okay, and you'll still have plenty left, so you can just jar it up, close the lid, and use it for some dips later for a snack. But this is the meatloaf with the salsa. Start with some potatoes. And let's give it a try. Never made this before, so steaming. God bless this food, which now we take and do as good for Jesus' sake. Amen. Always say it, but when you make it with love, it always turns out. So definitely try the salsa in your meatloaf. Very good, and it saved time from having to cut up the bell peppers and everything. Next time Aunt Dixie brings some salsa, I am definitely going to try it with the meatloaf. Bye, guys.